So we're gonna create this church flyer in this series, and that's the church flyer series, and then we'll be working on. So let's get started. Let's go to Photoshop. Open your Photoshop and come to create new, and we having the same size for it. Having the width to be 1000 and height to be 1200, and we're choosing pixels and orientation to be portrait. And for this tutorial, we're just gonna click on this export, make sure you selected it, and resolution is to be 400, at least maybe 400 or something. The color mode I use is RGB, white background. So just click on create, and you have something like this. Good. So we're gonna go to file, and we're gonna choose paste embedded. And we're gonna choose a flyer here. Okay, we're gonna bring it down to the side. We're gonna press enter, and it will give us the opportunity to use it as a guide as we design. Okay, that's cool. So what we're gonna do now is working on, let's start with the background, or we can start with the title. So we're gonna go with the background first. Let's go to the file. Let's choose the background. We have this first background. Okay, let's put it here. Good. And we're gonna go again and print this faster. Just click on stuff. Bring it down to Photoshop. Just try to expand it a little. Okay. And press E on your keyboard, or you come here to choose your eraser tool. And click on this. Just want to smooth thing. Is clean up. I'm gonna reduce the size of the eraser tool, and I'm gonna erase this edge. Yeah, it's close. Good. So good. Let's bring it down a little. Good. So what is we're gonna do now is we're gonna type only, and we're gonna be using something like for the first one we're gonna be using, I think the first font we use for this holy stuff is, just check, I think we use we use Arial fonts. Let's go back. We use Arial fonts, so we're gonna choose Arial font. I'm gonna choose bold, and let's try to increase it. Right, let's try to change the feel the white. Cool, man, that's cool. Okay, let's try to reduce the space in between those letters. Something like -75. Yeah. Okay, so this vessel, let's copy the olive and type vessel. faces. So we're gonna look for the font that we use. What's the name of the font? I bet we use something like, let's see. Oh, what's going on? Okay, so this font for the first two, we use something like Jaoy regular. Click better. It's not working. Let's try again. Oh, we're gonna go to properties again. Make sure you press enter first. We're just gonna try to reduce the compress. Okay, good. I think we're almost there. Almost there. And we're gonna create these holy and burning vessel. Holy and burning vessels. So let's grab our rectangle too. Press through your keyboard and draw a rectangle. Change the fill to red and undo and check the stroke. And we're gonna grab the text tool again, and we're just gonna type, and let's grab our text tool and type in burning. I'm gonna use the size to okay. Let's make that first. So use the size to small and burning. Good. So we're done with the title. And what we're gonna work on now is we're gonna work on the fire effect, and that's all. We're gonna just also work on this background a little to make it a little bit pop. Okay, so let's try to expose. Okay, we use. Okay, let me just go back so I can show you properly. Forgotten that I'm kind of recording. So what we use is we go to filter and we choose camera raw filter. So I'm gonna try to use exposure a little, in texture a little, in clarity a little bit more, just to make it okay. And it's getting close it to our reference. And now what we're gonna do now, okay, we're gonna bring something, this light effect. We're gonna bring from the folder to space, bring it down to function. So we're gonna change this mode to something like screen, and bring it down. Yeah, I think that's better. Try to erase the edge of it. Good. So now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna work on the fire in that vessel. We're gonna go to, so we're gonna bring this fire first into Photoshop. Reduce the size. We're gonna choose to select subject, Ctrl J, and delete the rest, background, and try to reduce and bend it a little. Okay. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna reduce the opacity. We could have just erased it, but just erased the line. But I want to use pen tool, make it smaller. Choose pen tool and change it to parts, and just try to trace here. It won't take you much time to do that. Just like this, a little. Alright, we'll make the selection, delete it, deselect. Good. See, we're almost there. The next thing we're gonna do is get the fire, second fire, which is this, and bring it to Photoshop again. We're gonna reduce it. We're gonna change to screen. Great. Bring it a little bit up. And we're gonna use eraser to increase the size of the eraser and just erase some edges. They are so simple, it's not that hard. Somewhat not difficult to do. You can see we're getting there. So the next thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna work on S2 and set percent. And choose regular. Reduce the size of it a little bit here. And go to properties and expand it. Let's make it 200 now. 200 is not enough. Let's make it 600. I want it to, yeah. Good. 600. And we're gonna use the logo of the church. Go back to it. And the logo that we used the other time is what we're still using. We're gonna bring it to let's try to reduce the size of it. And we're gonna go to select subject. And we Ctrl J and we'll click on black. Reduce the size. Bring it up. cool. Then we're gonna add text to and type the name of the church again. Let's make sure that this expansion is brought to 0. The Lamb of God Church. I'll make sure we reduce it and change the width of it to be 40. So we're gonna bring the image of the pastor, which is this. We're gonna bring it to Photoshop. We're gonna reduce it later. So we're gonna choose select object again. Selected, Ctrl J, delete the background, bring it down, add it. Then we'll go to edit, transform, we flip it horizontal, bring the limit down. Great. So what we're gonna do now is just edit a little. So come around filter. Just gonna give it exposure. Exposure is okay. Yeah. And that's good. So what we're gonna work on now is just this date and text. Paragraph our text to and type 21st March 2025. We'll change the color to white. 2, 4, 2. Rectangle 2 and draw something like this. Fill to be red with no stroke. Good. I'm gonna copy it down, change it to white. Okay. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna just erase this a little. Okay, cool. So that text can come up. Then we're gonna grab our text tool again and type 68. 68 PM. Bring it down there. I'm gonna work on location. Okay. Jeez. Control. Like it. Let's reduce the size and bring it out. Change the field to be black and change to, so we reduce it. Okay, good. And the name of the pastor, What we're gonna do is just make sure we set this layer in text editor, and also the shape. Let's mark this area. I'm gonna type pastel. Let's go to property and check the uppercase. Pastel Philip Sunday. Right. And change the pastel to be italics. Italic. Reduce it. Bring it here. Okay, cool. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the texture, then we're just gonna the line God Church. I'm gonna bring it down and use it. I'm gonna make the weight with bold. Good. Bring it down. Bring it up. We'll bring it down. Okay. Let's try to repeat it a little more. Okay. Good. So now what we're gonna do is get the Instagram and the YouTube icon. Let's bring Instagram and the YouTube icon to Photoshop. Let's try to reduce this. Let's reduce the Instagram also. Okay, so I think we're done with the flyer. So that is how you practice with the file, the other's background made available to you in the link in the description. So just follow the tutorial. As you follow the tutorial, you will be able to learn more on how to design church flyers and those kind of flyers. So this is church flyer series, and by the time we're done with church flyer series, we move to another kind of design series, just to make you to know more as you practice more and more. Thank you so much for watching. Please try to subscribe to the channel